Hey guys, Dan with Kane Custom Garage, and today we got a very special unboxing. Check it out. Oh, I'm excited. This is gonna be the coolest. You know what this is? Let's open it up and take a look. Something that we've been waiting for a while, and it's been getting worked on. Oh, look at this, look at this. Oh, look, there's a note. Dan, thank you so much for letting me work on your saw. I hope it runs great for you. It needs a bigger bar. Jeff. So yeah, you know what time that is. Old Mac131. He sent me my saw back. Oh, open me. What the heck is this? Oh, whoa, this is cool. Nice. Whoa, that's super cool. This is my son Max. I was telling Jeff that my son Max is really into airplanes and especially the AC-130. Look at that. That's really cool. Wow, Jet Max is gonna like that. Wow, that's super cool. Oh man, I'm gonna have to go get Max now. I gotta go get Max and show him. Okay, I'll be back. Hey, I'm back. He was too embarrassed to get it on video, so I gave it to him. But yeah, he thought that was the coolest thing, Jeff. He was jumping around and he was excited. So yeah, that's awesome. Max loves it. He's like, whoa, that's so cool. He's like, is that real from the airbase? And I was like, yeah. So yeah, that's cool. Max is gonna love that. He does love that. He was super excited. Okay. Let's get all our packaging materials out of here. Extra parts and the gas cap. So there's the extra parts. Oh, this is so cool. Look, there it is. More packaging materials. Oh, this is awesome. Look at that. Oh, he even put a bow on it for me. Man, look at that thing. Thing is clean. How does he get the metal so shiny? Wow, look at that. That's amazing. Let's get it out here where we can see it. Alright, let me make sure my camera's still in frame. Oh, we need to lower it down a little bit. There she is, the Poulan. The Mac131 special. Oh yeah, look at that. Happy little bow on it. Nice. Wow, that thing's nice. Look at that, he put custom Allen head, stainless Allen head screws here. Let me get that up here. Stainless screws here. All the hardware has been polished, it looks like. Man, the attention to detail is just amazing. Look at that thing, it's a work of art. Wow, that is nice. Okay, let's get this bow off of here. Oh, this is cool. Look at that bad boy. Man, that thing looks way better than when I had it. That's so awesome. Put the oil cap on. Look at that beast. Let's see what she feels like. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, new cord even. Look at that. That's custom. dig the gas cap out of here. Yeah, this is awesome. Extra parts, air filter and stuff. Hey, let me get the gas cap on it and we'll fuel her up. Okay, I got some fuel and oil in it. She's all fueled up. Let's fire it up, see what she sounds like. I don't even know what to expect. I've never had a ported chainsaw. This is gonna be so cool. Oh, this is exciting. Look at that bad boy. Nice. So yeah, we got our choke. Ignition. Oh, and he flipped it up the right way because I think it was backwards before. Oh, look at that. There's a little oiler. Well, what do you think? Should we fire it up? I'm nervous. Should I try the old drop start like Jeff does? Because yeah, I never really did that much, but we can try that. Let's see if she'll fire up. Okay, we got the choke on. Should we give it a little? Let's see what happens. Let's see if she'll pop. Whoa! I can already tell it sounds healthy. Okay, I gave her a drink of fuel. Let's see what she does now. Switch on. That thing sounds like an animal, Jeff. Oh, it sounds like 10 times more powerful than it was before. And like when you rev it up, you can really feel it. It sort of jerks. It's like, whir, whir. Oh, that's so cool. Now, I'm not even going to try and run it or anything until I confer with the master on how to adjust the jets and everything for my elevation. But yeah, just look at that thing. Oh, that is so awesome. Look at that thing. She's a thing of beauty. So yeah, that is just so cool. Awesome. So yeah, I think what I'll do next is we'll get the barn chain on it and get it all put back together. And then yeah, I'll have to confer with the master on how to adjust it, and then I gotta find some wood to cut. I don't really have any big logs around here right now in the middle of summer, but yeah, that's gonna be so cool. I'm definitely gonna cut some wood in the fall. Awesome. So yeah, thank you so much, man. Thank you for this. Max loves these. I tried to at least get him to take a picture with it, and he wouldn't do that either. So, but he just loves it. He's excited. He's like, when do I get to have them? I was like, just wait till I'm done with the video. But yeah, that's so neat. So yeah, thank you so much, Jeff. We'll get this thing together, and then I'll get to cutting some wood with it. I'm excited. So yeah, that's so cool. So you'll see her some more in some more videos. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and go check out Jeff's channel, Mac131. He's the coolest.